How to fix Fortnite you were removed from the match due to your IP VPN machine or cheating. Now I'm gonna be showing you a couple of troubleshooting steps for you to be able to fix this issue. The very first thing is of course removing or uninstalling your Epic games. So just head over to the Windows icon right here and just simply search in add and remove programs. So simply click on that and you will be or there will be a new window that will pop out on your screen, and all you have to do from here is just by simply locating your Epic Games folder. So in here, you'll have to do both. You'll have to uninstall Epic Games Launcher and as well as Epic Online Services. Now, just click on it and click on uninstall. Once everything is uninstalled and deleted, you'll just have to rerun and download the Epic Games Launcher and Online Services again. But if this issue is still showing on your end, then let's proceed on the next troubleshooting steps. Next troubleshooting steps is go back to your Windows icon and just simply type in run. Now from run, there will be a small window that will come out on your screen and just simply type in regedit. Hit on OK, and there will be a pop out that do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device, just simply choose on yes. Now once you choose on yes, there's going to be another window that will pop out, which is going to be the registry editor. What you want to do in here, just go to the current user, and from current user, go to software, and then from software, just look out or find out your Epic Games folder, and you'll have to delete a specific file that is called identifiers file or identifiers folder. Now, once you have deleted it, all you have to do next is to reset your or a soft reset on your current PC. So to do a reset, you go back again to the Windows icon and just simply type in reset. Now, if before you do this, make sure that you have your important files backed up. So this is the last resort that we could do. So again, those are the troubleshooting steps for you to be able to fix Fortnite you were removed from the match due to your IP, VPN, machine, or cheating.